Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 5 yummy fruit names in English. Number 1. Apple. Apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Number 2. Banana. Banana. Never make eye contact with anyone while they are eating banana. It will make them shy. Number 3. Orange. Orange. Orange is a color name and a fruit name as well, so it means you have 2 names to remember. Number 4. Strawberry. Strawberry. The first strawberry is always the sourest one. Number 5. Pineapple. Pineapple. Be like a pineapple. Stay tall, wear a crown, but sweet from inside. Let's repeat these basic fruit names again. Apple, banana, orange, strawberry, strawberry, pineapple, pineapple. So these were these basic fruit names for beginners. And our next part of the video of fruit names for intermediate level is on its way. Our family is getting bigger day by day, and you have a chance to be a part of it too. So go subscribe now.
Until then, stay home, stay safe, stay productive.